Introduction to Facilities Management. Introduction. In this course, we are going to take an in-depth look at facilities management, what it requires, and how by studying this course you will be able to find the right career for you within the wide range of roles available. We are going to cover the following topics. What is facilities management? The trainee. Aims and objectives. Identify. Evaluate. Action. Review. Characteristics of the facilities manager. Developing a philosophy as a facilities manager. Types of organizations. Organizing the department. Personality and skills of facility personnel. Facility management leadership. Strategic and annual planning. The annual work plan. What is facilities management? The International Facility Management Association defines facilities management as an overarching profession that is an umbrella term for multiple separate roles and disciplines that ensures the organization functions by integrating people, place, process and technology. Facilities management, despite encompassing a huge variety of roles and responsibilities, can be defined very clearly as everything that is not core business. The role of the facilities manager is to work to make sure all of the elements of a business cohere and work together for the success of the organization. Some of these roles that we are going to study in depth during this course could be office management, human resources, lease and vendor management, health and safety management, workplace maintenance, project management, business management.